In Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 3:30 p.m. At 2:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Marionette Park, or over Blue Island, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Hammond, Gary, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Calumet City, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, South Shore, Roseland, Bridgeport, East Chicago, Burbank, Lansing, Oak Forest, Harvey, Blue Island, Munster, and Billiton. This includes Purdue University Northwest Hammond, University of Chicago, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, South Suburban College, and Museum of Science and Industry. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.